some claims undetectable AI. They say they can solve Turnitin AI. So let's find out. We're gonna explore ChatGPT, Jenny AI, and Perplexity for thesis, proposal, and journal. Once we use ChatGPT, Jenny AI, and Perplexity, can we reduce the Turnitin? Is it possible? Here is ChatGPT. I have asked ChatGPT to write me a problem statement for AI in business operations for a PhD thesis, and this is the answer from GPT-4. Similar requirements I established across Perplexity AI and Jenny AI as well. So we copy all these into separate Word documents and upload onto Turnitin. So now in Turnitin, when I open ChatGPT document, it shows AI 100%. Then when I open Perplexity, it also shows 100%. Then now I move to AI Jenny. The problem statement also shows 100%. They all generate the text and predict the outcome almost the same manner. That's why Turnitin AI can easily pick up. It's almost impossible to beat it now. On many occasions, we had to proofread and paraphrase many clients' documents when they use AI tools to write. We even managed to reduce Turnitin AI from 100% to 20%, but it worked for some because on many occasions, they also got rejected or major correction for their Viva due to the many inaccurate information, extremely limited literature that can be read by these AI tools. And then some claims undetectable AI. They say they can solve Turnitin AI. So let's find out. I have took the same information, the same problem statement from ChatGPT. I inserted into this undetectable AI. I copy it out to Word document. I upload onto Turnitin. Cannot also. You see, 100% Turnitin detected. Because as I said, Turnitin AI had improved a lot. Don't worry. If you are still stuck with your thesis, proposal, and journal, get in touch. We will consult and coach you and make sure you finish your journey with zero AI and perfect language. Turnitin guaranteed. Please share this video to raise the extremely required awareness among all students and researchers, and share your experience so far in the comment. Thank you.